Hi there and welcome back to Redstone Productions. I'm really looking forward to start this series of mic shootout reviews. What I have today on the menu for you is 5 different microphones. Starting on the very far right, we have a Shure SM57 dynamic mic. This is pretty much a beast. This is by far the most popular mic you find in studio, on live stages, and any of that. It's a pretty inexpensive mic, but when it comes down to mic electric guitar cabinet, this is a must-have. The other microphone that we have next to it is an AKG C414 XLS. That's a large diaphragm condenser microphone, a Swiss Army knife mic. So if you ever want to record anything unheard, that's gonna pretty much save your ass. This is gonna also be shootout against the JZ BT201. That's another condenser but small diaphragm microphone. Next to it we have an Audio Technica Japanese, a 4050 Urushi series. We're gonna also run that just like the AKG on cardioid mode. And finally, the most revered Neumann U87, again on cardioid. We're gonna put them up against a 112 cabinet powered by a Palmer all-valve preamplifier called the Drei from Germany. And we're gonna let you decide which one you like the best. So let's go and check it out. I hope you really enjoyed this very last video. We already did a mic shootout between the AKG C414 and the Audio-Technica 4050 Euroshi series on acoustic guitar. But I would really like to know which one of these mics you like the best on electric guitar cabinet. To me, the Shure SM57 is still a clear winner in terms of flexibility and pricing, but by having the choice of 5 very different sounding microphones, you can pretty much carve the sound you're really after. So stay tuned for more and don't forget to subscribe.